Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today we're going to make fall clusters, but first let's have our shout out to Honestly, Carolyn, Uniquely Yours by Dawn Marie, Pebbles, Tink and I Treasures, Moved North Homestead, Colleen, and Cathy. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys, the last video I was so excited. I was having so much fun. Now we're going to make some clusters with the wax seal flowers and the wax seals that I made. So let me show you what I've done to prepare. I've taken some music page and I've just torn it up and I've inked the edges. I got the hang of it. I think it was because it never had any ink on it, and that's why I had a problem. But anyway, I got the hang of it. It's really not hard, guys, but I have to lay it down on my mat to do it. All right, so I've prepared these, and then I prepared some very dark coffee dyed paper, and I inked and I gilded the edge. And I gilded the edge, so I inked the edge like this. So this is how I have to do it, but I think it works really nicely. So I inked around the edge, and then what I did was I took some of this Deco Art Dazzling Metallics, this is champagne gold, and I put some on my glass mat. I used my finger and I just rubbed all the way around. No rhyme or reason to it. I just put it on the edge, some little wider spots than others, just okay, you know, just here and there. Just here and there I placed it. So now I'm going to wipe my finger off and let's start. Now I also have some pieces of ruffled material in the oranges. I have orange, I have plaid, I have some beautiful ribbon or edging for sewing. I have some black thread. I have some bedazzling gold little sequin things, beads, I don't even know what to call them. I have some that I haven't put any seals. I have all those ones that I did put the seals in. I have some extra little tiny flowers. I have all kinds of things. I have ones that I made like this. I think these are beautiful as well. So let's just begin and just make a few together. So there's really no rhyme or reason to these. I just putting them together. Now I'm going to put the dark one on top this time. I'm going to bring in my Tombow glue, and I'm just going to add some glue here, and let's get started. So how about if we use maybe a little bit of orange, this little ruffle. Now, if you don't have a machine, so you're not able to make these pre-made ruffles, you can do it by using your plastic little your card and pushing it like I've showed you in previous videos. And maybe let's place a little bit of that. Okay, let's just get it going. Actually, I think I want a label in here. So I have my whole box of Tracy Fox labels, and I think I like this really dark one right here. So I am going to move this out of the way. I'm going to darken this up a little bit just by doing this, just randomly. And I'm going to place this down first. So here we go, maybe at an angle, maybe something like that. Then I'm going to place this down, a little ruffle. Okay, now how about a little bit of rickrack, and maybe just a little bit of rickrack. And I like to use my mat to attach my glue, or push my glue down, because it's too hot to use my finger, so I just turn it over and use my mat. So it's like this. So let's see here now, what shall we do? We have this really big one that we made. I really like that one. Let's see, we have one that has a little bit of a red tinge to it. Maybe, let's see, what is it that we want today? How about if we just use this dark one? That one's cute. There's nothing wrong with that one. I'm just looking around to see, maybe we can put a little butterfly with this one. I have some butterflies. I think maybe a little butterfly with it. It might be too big. The bow. No, don't care for the bow. Oh, there's the butterfly. Okay, I'm going to get just a little bit of thread. Even though this wax seal is black, I think it would look really cool if we just place some of this thread right here. Now, you know I can't push on it, so I'm just going to turn it over, get it positioned, just kind of turn it over there, like that. Then I'm going to add, this messed up just a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue. Now, if your hot glue is super hot, do not put your wax seal directly on it. It will melt your wax seal. I have done it. So you'll want to let your wax seal just cool just a little bit, just so that you do not melt your wax seal, because it will melt a hole right in it, and then it will be ruined. Everything will be ruined. Your cluster, everything, because you can't get it off. So don't do that. There's a little bling on the butterfly. Let's get this wing up. Yeah, maybe something like that. That's really cute. I like it. All right, let's go ahead and make another one. Let's do the, shall we say, maybe like this. Now, I know that's going to make some people twitch. And I'm sorry, I don't mean to make you twitch, but I have gotten kind of over the music having to always be going the right direction. I'm sorry if it still bothers you, because I know it used to just bug me. But it didn't bug me when somebody else did it. It bugged me when I did it. So now let's see what we want to do. How about a little ruffle? And let's add, let's see, we did a orange ruffle before. Let's do a plaid ruffle. Yeah, let's do the plaid. And my sewing machine was acting funny that day. See, look, it's all messed up. It's all messed up. So we're just going to really glue it on, and it's not going to matter that it was messed up. It will still hold it in place. And let's maybe add our silk flower with our little seal in the middle. Now, if you have missed that video, I'm going to tell you right now, I was having so much fun that it's kind of a silly video, because I was really, really happy. So happy when I was making that video. Everything was just so much fun. It was late at night, and everyone had gone to bed, and I was just having the best time. Seriously, the best time. So be forewarned, if you watch it, I will, at the end of this video, you know where it pops up where you can click on something else to watch? Well, you can click on it. I will have it show up, and you can click on it, and you can see exactly what I'm talking about. I had the best time. So you could have the best time too. Making them, because they are so much fun. They are so much fun. I have to learn how to do a link. I'm going to ask my daughter to show me, because I don't know how to link things. There. How about that one? That one's super cute too. Put a little thread underneath. Oh my goodness, what time is it? Oh, we have plenty of time. Let's do another one. Let's do with the maybe the music on top. We've been doing the music underneath. I'll put it the right way, guys. Okay, so I don't want to make anybody twitch. got it the right way. Let's get this on here like this. Okay. Now let's see, what shall we do? How about let's bring in some more of this. I think this is a beautiful color. So beautiful. I do believe fall is getting ready to happen. The other day, the wind was blowing and the leaves were falling like rain. They hadn't changed yet. They were just falling like rain. So it was like, yeah, shades of fall. I'm just putting a little loop, putting it on there, and then how about if we add this one? Oh, that's pretty on there. I'm going to do a little bit more of this. I'm really kind of into this thread thing. I don't know why. I just think it adds a little something different, you know? At least for me. Something different for me. Maybe not for you guys, but for me. All right. Let's just stick that right there and turn it over there. That will get it stuck well enough for my finger. There, push it down. Okay, and see about putting this here. So I'm going to add a little bit more glue, but I'm going to let it kind of cool off a little bit. And let's see, how about this one? It's kind of big. Nope, we don't want that one. That's pretty big. We need a smaller one. All right, that will be fine. So I'm just going to put a little color on it. And how about if we do our little trick with our Sharpie, and let's do this because there's black thread, there's black in the music, and then the leaf, I just colored it with this. I didn't have any other black, so I just colored it with the Sharpie. I colored the raised part of the stamp with the Sharpie. It seemed to work. All right, so let's get this on here. Before that, won't take it. And I'm just going to add some glue to this and slip it right in here, just like that. Actually, I think I need a little bit more glue. I waited a little too long. Hope that doesn't make a hole in it. Look at that one. That one's really pretty too, isn't it? How about if we put maybe, I don't know, maybe a little, it's too big. How about this one though? And how about if we cut a little bit of flowers off? Maybe like that, and stick it up in there. Okay, let's try that. And stick it up in there like that. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's what it needed. It needed a little something else. And where can we stick this one? I don't want to stick it right there. Oh, maybe it does need to be up there. Okay. I'll put a little bit of glue on this other part. And I'm going to raise up the thread and stick it right there. Oh, that's pretty cute. Now, let's put a little gem right there on that flower. So let's get this off and right on there like that. Oh, yeah, that's what it needed. It needed a little something, something, right? Oh, what time is it? Okay. I think that's probably all we need to do. I'm looking for my black little mat so I can show this easier. We have this one. Oh, we've got, I don't know if you can see that. We've got glue string everywhere. We have this one. And then there's this one. And I made that one. And then there's that one. Oh my goodness, you guys, we're getting ready for fall. I absolutely love these. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.